Hello traders! In this video, I will share another expert advisor. This expert advisor runs on the gold USD pair and can also run on other pairs. This advisor is a request from one of KijiTrade's subscribers. You can also write a request for an expert advisor in the comments column. Usually I write requests from subscribers in the notes for the list for making the next video. In this MT5 terminal, I have run the gold Veritas expert advisor. For the time frame that I run according to the expert advisor developer, namely on the M5 time frame. Presets. And the settings that I use this time still use the standard settings. Volume settings. We can see in the volume settings, the setting is auto with an amount balance value of 50 and a lot of 0.01. Means that the settings will set the lot 0.01 if the balance is at least 50 USD, and will increase to 0.02 if the balance is more than 50 USD. To be more certain, I will see it later after there are trading results of approximately 1 week to 1 month. Security settings. The maximum open order that is set by default is 10 transactions if the order has not been fulfilled. Of course, you still change these settings according to your wishes. Observation. This time I use a capital of $1,000. I also suggest you to use a stable VEPS with very low network latency. In the video description, I have included the VEPS registration link. If you are interested, you can try a free trial. Expert Advisor free download. As usual, on the website trade-e.com, I have distributed it for free. For the broker that I use is from the Exness broker. You can trade casually. The spread used here is from Zero Spread. Trading results of gold Veritas. I took the trading result reference from the gold Veritas developer at mql.com. The initial deposit used by the developer is 50 USD, and there is additional capital until the total deposit becomes 509 USD. Already withdrawn 150 USD. Profit earned 105 USD. The biggest drawdown is 8.9%. The resulting trading activity is quite low, only 6.8%. This means that the number of trades in 1 week is quite small. Trading history. Trading starts from September 2022. Profit in 2022 is 47.68%. And trading in 2023, which is running until this April, at 29.03%. So the total profit that has been obtained is 90.55%. Balance information. We can see here, the blue line is history deposits, and the red line is withdrawals. We can conclude here to use this expert advisor preferably with a capital of $500. Drawdown risk information. We will see a drawdown of 8.9% in nominal USD. From this information, the largest nominal drawdown is 14.96 USD. Trading history. I will also see the trading results that occur. The open lot volume does not use the Martingale system. Opened lots 0.01. If you want to use a setting like this, it means that in the expert advisor settings you need to change the accumulated auto balance lots to 500. Information statistics. The total trading that took place from September 2022 to now in April 2023 is 258 transactions. Maximum consecutive loss of 11.3 USD. And a maximum win-win of 17.48 USD. The average trading duration is 2 hours. Trading per week is around 12 transactions only. This is the result of trading using 4 pairs. You can see the pair used here. The pair used uses gold pairs from gold USD, gold euros, gold Australia dollar, and gold Japan yen. Download Expert Advisors for free. I have merged the files into one. You can download it and extract it to your MetaTrader 5 terminal. I will also show you the backtest results with 100% quality. I'd include a screenshot of the backtest results from the Gold Veritas developer. The profit obtained from the backtest is $30,209,627. These were backtest results from 2015 to 2022. As a data comparison, I will show 3 trading results from mipsbook.com. Please pay attention, and you can assess the results of trading using Gold Veritas EA. Points of consideration that you can pay attention to include the total profit gain you get, estimated daily profit, estimated monthly income, and estimated biggest drawdown that has ever happened. This is the first comparison with a total profit of 66.78%. There are several tips for trading Forex using Expert Advisors EA. First, choose a trusted and reliable EA. There are many EAs available in the market, but not all of them are reliable. Do some research and choose EAs that have good records, positive reviews, and come from trusted sources. Second, understand the strategy behind the EA. Every EA is built with a certain strategy in mind. Make sure you understand the strategy behind the EA and how it works. This will help you to monitor and adjust the EA if needed. Third, test the EA on a demo account. Before using an EA on a live account, it is important to test it on a demo account first. This will help you see how the EA performs in different market conditions and how it responds to different settings. The second, a total profit of 17.6%. And the third with a total of 21.74%. In Forex trading, there are many factors that can affect your success. However, with enough knowledge and the right strategies, Forex trading can be a stable and profitable source of income. It is important to always learn and develop your trading skills, as well as pay attention to the risks involved in this activity. Do not rush into making decisions and always use a demo account to test new strategies before starting to trade with real money. With discipline, patience, and the right skills, you can succeed in Forex trading. Remember that success in Forex trading takes time and dedication, so keep learning and honing your skills to achieve your trading goals. Thanks for watching till the end.